Hello students, we will now begin step 3 of chapter 1 lesson. There was one more thing I wanted to add to the style of the body, and I forgot to do it in lesson 2, so I'm going to add that now. If you wanted to change the font of your text, the style for that is font family, and you can use any font you want that you know is on your machine. I'll just give you an example. Papyrus is a font. So if I used Papyrus, Control S, and refresh the page, you see that my font changes to Papyrus. And I could use any font I wanted. I could make the font, what's another one? Elephant. If I could spell. Okay. Control S and refresh. And now it's elephant. Let me just make it an actual font family. In this case, I'm going to use sans serif, which is a font family. That includes several fonts. So I'm going to refresh the page, and now we're using the font sans serif. Okay, so now we can begin step 3, which is going to be adding an image to the page. If you downloaded the lesson from Blackboard, you know that there is a file in there called cup.gif. That's an image of a coffee cup, and we're going to put it right at the top of the page here, okay? So we know that the cup needs to be inside this folder in order for it to work. So we have to take the cup, all right, which is, I got to pause for a second to get it. Okay, I paused for a second to get that image file in the folder. Don't forget that in order for that image to show up on your page, it needs to be inside the root folder of the website. So I went and got it and put it in here. I didn't want to waste any time, so I paused it. But now it's there, so now I can go to my code for the page, and I want this picture to show up at the very top of my page. So I'm going to go inside the body, okay, and I'm going to put it in a paragraph to make sure it's on its own line. That's a P tag. And then I'm going to open an image tag. The image tag looks like this. img space src equals. src stands for source. Open quote. And I know the name of the file is cup.gif. You have to name it exactly as it's named as the file. Okay, so in this case, it's cup.gif. All right, and then close the bracket, and then close the P tag. Control S, and then when I go back to the page and refresh it, there's the picture of the coffee cup at the top of the page. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to File, Save As. Now within my Starbuzz folder, I'm going to create a new page called mission.html. But I'm going to save all of this text from the index page as mission for now, and then make some changes, okay? So now I'm going to click save, and now this page is called mission.html. I haven't lost index. Index is still here. But now I have another page, it's called Mission. That's what I'm working on in here. So I'm going to call the title Starbuzz Mission. Okay? I'm going to leave the style because it's another page within my website, so all that style is going to stay there. Okay? And I'm going to give it a different image, obviously, but right for now, it's going to say Starbuzz Coffee Beverages Mission Statement. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of all of these other paragraphs. Okay, so we only have one paragraph, and this one's going to say, to provide our customers with the best quality coffee on the market. Okay, and then I'm going to Control S, Now when I refresh the page, okay, what I did when I refreshed the page is I'm refreshing index here. So I have to go back to this page and open mission, okay? So here's my mission statement: to provide our customers with the best quality coffee on the market. But this has a picture of a coffee cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a browser and type in mission statements. Hit enter. And then click on images. Now I want an image, I'm going to change the settings here. Actually, I'm going to add tools, and I'm going to make this, I know that my picture of the coffee cup is exactly 350 by 350, so I'm going to make this the exact same size. So I only want pictures of mission statements that are 350 by 350, okay? So this one looks good right here. So I'm going to click on View Image. Here it is. So I'm going to right click, Save Image As. Okay, go to my desktop. Don't forget, this has to be inside my root folder. HTML, Starbuzz. Now I'm going to rename this, okay, Mission, all lowercase. Always make sure you name it something simple, not a bunch of letters and words, okay? Now the reason why you're not seeing anything else here, because this is JPEG. There are no other JPEG files in the Starbuzz folder. There's an HTML and there's a GIF, but there aren't any JPEGs. That's why the folder looks empty right now. So I'm going to save it, okay? And I'll go back to show you that it's there. Okay, so I have a picture of a coffee cup, I have my 2 HTML pages, and now I have a picture of a mission statement. So it's called mission.jpg. So I'm going to go back to Notepad, and I'm going to change this cup.gif to mission.jpg. Control S, refresh my page. Okay, refresh my page, and now I have a page that looks very similar to index, except it's my mission page. Okay, so this ends lesson 3. In lesson 4, we're going to learn how to link back and forth between index and mission. Okay, so this ends lesson 3.